Hello, welcome to a preview of one of our crypto trading bots. So here is the login page. So all you have to do is enter your user ID, password, click on the login button, and you are taken to the dashboard page where you can make changes to your specific strategy. So this trading bot works on on some RSI strategy where you can change the parameters on which RSI is calculated the period, and you can decide whether after each profit or loss you want to multiply a quantity, and you can also change when you want to take a buy or sell, like RSI crosses a specific value, either 70 or 30, like it crosses 70 and then I want to buy, or maybe it goes below 30 then I want to sell. You can even change these parameters. So this is the page where you can select all of these parameters. So first is script, which script you want to trade in BTC, USDT, ETH, USDT. For this trading bot, we are performing all the trades in Binance. So these are all the 120 futures scripts available in Binance. They include all of our most commonly known denominations like BTC, USDT, ETH, USDT, XRP, ADA USDT. So you select your script from here, then you choose a time frame you want to perform this strategy on. We have multiple time frames available here, 1 minute ranging from 1 minute going all the way up to a month. You can perform this strategy on a monthly chart or an hourly chart. All of these time frames have been made available. You can change the RSI period as well. Like I want to calculate RSI based on 16 period or 20 period or 14 period, whatever I feel suitable with, and then I can choose a stop loss or target based upon either points or the percentage of my entry price. Like for example, I have selected here percentage, so my target would be 20% of my entry price, or and my stop loss would be 10% of my entry price. So here I select the quantity. So like in futures in ETH, USDT, in Binance, you have to mention your quantity in terms of ETH you are going to buy. So the smallest the quantity that you can buy or sell has been already put here by default. So you can change this. Like I want to use zero point 0.4 ETH for each trade. Then this is my quantity multiplier. Like for example, I'm multiplying my quantity for after each loss until I make a profit. So for the first trade, it will be zero point 0.4, and if I hit a stop loss, then my quantity would be double to zero point 0.8, and then 0.16 until I make a profit. So here is how much I want to do multiply my initial quantity by. Like if I want to do double or triple my quantity after each loss, or quadruple. So you can change it to 3 or 4 or whatever you are comfortable with. And then this is where you select how many times you want to double or triple your quantity. Like I want to do it only 3 times. Then after that it would stop doubling your quantity, and this quantity percent variable is where you want to like you don't want to exactly double your quantity, you want to put a bit of a buffer. So this is how much percentage I want to different buffer, put a buffer in my quantity, like not exactly 0.04 point 0, but 0.44, like a little buffer for my quantities. So here you can select the upper band and lower band, the which the RSI would have to cross for me to decide whether I want to buy or sell. In futures, as this is futures, so we are working on leverages. So Binance provides a maximum of 125 leverage. So you can change your leverage here. You can make it 40, 80, 100, or the maximum that the exchange allows, which is 125. So then you can input the start time and end date. You want to finish this. Like I want to perform this setting. I want this setting to run from tomorrow until New Year's, until the next year starts from 1st of January. Then I can put those dates here, click on submit, and then this setting would start running in my account. So it would calculate the RSI every minute and then check whether the RSI has crossed these values, and if it has, then it would buy or sell. So then we go on to order details page where we can see all the orders that are currently running or all the orders that have finished or all the positions that have been squared up by the algo. So after clicking on order details, we are taken to this page where we can see today's PNL and the PNL of the running trades as well as the PNL of the completed trades. So here we can see currently we have no trades running. So this table is empty. So what this table is showing, it is showing us the script, all the settings that we chose on the first page. It shows us those settings, all the settings we have chosen. And then it also tells us the entry time, the entry price, exit time and exit price as well as the PNL. So since this has been complete, this is the completed trade. So none of the values are changing. But when the trade would be running, you would see this PNL changing live based upon the tick values. As soon as I receive a new tick value, I calculate the PNL and then show it here live in the table as well. So, and if you receive any error, the algo is smart enough to take an exit and like you ran out of margin. Like we can see an error. This trade did not take an entry because it ran out of margin. So the algo stopped immediately. It stopped at the time 21:10 and then the setting would be deleted from this running. There would be no running setting running again. You would have to go put some money into your account, come here again, input your settings again, click on the submit, and then the bot would start trading again in your account. So this was a preview of one of our crypto trading algos. Thanks for watching.